everyone. We all prepare notes, sometimes during our classes or sometimes while preparing for the tests. And most of the time, they end up sleeping on the desk. Don't stuff your notes away, never to see the light of the day again. So here are some tips which can help you to get the most out of your notes. Find your own way. Write short sentences, use abbreviations and symbols. Use your own words that mean something to you. Use color codes or even doodle if you know. These are some methods to create personalized notes which are always very effective. Review on repetition mode. Make sure that you review your notes within the first 24 hours after your lecture. This cements everything you heard and learned in your brain so it won't fall out of your head later. Review a small portion of your notes every day. Cramming before an exam doesn't work. What does work is regularly reviewing your material. Go through a small part of your notes daily. It will take very little time, so you are more likely to follow it regularly. Reviewing over a long period ensures that what you have learned will stick and improve your recall. Thank you.